just tell me exactly what you have.
Sure.
And kind of what you're putting, how much of it you're putting into the mason jar there.
So again, we have our mustard.
Okay. Again, the Dijon? Is that preferable Dijon as opposed to like a
You could
brown
use
mustard?
other ones, but I just kind of like the flavor profile of the Dijon.
Okay. It's a little fancier.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. So I mean, I would say this is about two tablespoons.
Gotcha. Okay.
But this is just some minced garlic.
Oh, garlic.
Yeah. This was a raw clove that we just kind of minced up in our Robocoup. But I mean, you could chop this finely.
Okay.
With a knife. It's basically the same thing.
And again, you just kind of season to taste. If you like a lot of garlic, like I do, just
dump it in there.
Put a lot of garlic.
And if you don't, and this is where it's great when you make it yourself. You have control.
Exactly. So I mean, it's kind of all tailored to your taste.
Right.
So then we have our lemon juice here that we pressed. I'm just gonna dump that in here.
Okay. And that was the white wine.
That was the lemon juice. Oh, I'm sorry. And then.
That was the lemon juice.
Yes.
Okay.
It actually had the lemon juice and the white wine with it.
Okay. And my favorite part, the chef's
the sprinkle. We're gonna dump that in there, and then we have our olive oil, which we're just gonna dump right in there.
Same type of olive oil, cold pressed.
Yep.
Okay. I assume the flavor's a little different when you start extra virgin, cold pressed.
Right. There's many options. So.
Yeah. They also have a different smoke point, which is, in regards to cooking. But
gotcha.
Yeah, I think the extra virgin olive oil are better for the salad dressings.
Gotcha.
As opposed to, you want to usually you'd use like a salad oil or something heartier, a canola oil for something that you're going to cook with.
Gotcha. And at this point, you hand over the jar to your 3-year-old, right?
Yeah, exactly. 2 hands, and then we're just going to shake it. So just shake it up.
That looks great.
And then, you just take this, you just pour it right over the top of, whatever your protein would be, and, and set it and forget it.